The fifth step in making your lawn a masterpiece is watering. All lawns need water to just stay alive, not to mention to thrive. But did you know that too much water actually causes more plant deaths than not watering enough? So being able to get water off your lawn is as important or more important as how to get water on it. Drainage issues contribute to the many challenges that we face on lawns. From soil compaction, weeds, insects, and disease pressure, too much water will make all of these issues just that much worse. So, with that being said, you can now understand why proper watering is so important. You got to find that sweet spot to get the right amount of water over that desired area. Different soil types will affect how fast the water will move throughout that soil profile. Water moves slower through heavy clay soils as opposed to sandy soils where it will leach out much faster. But for the purpose of this video, I'll provide some basic watering instructions for the lawns in our area. First, don't water unless you need it. You know, Mother Nature at times throughout the year is likely to provide us with adequate amount of precipitation for our lawns, but you know what? It's not always a guarantee. So you got to be prepared. So how much does your lawn need? Pretty much any time of the year, all precipitation needs to be adding up to about 1.5 inches to 2 inches per week. Less frequent heavy soakings are best. Water thoroughly 2 to 3 days a week to get that 1.5 to 2 inches on the lawn. So you may say, well, how do I know how much I'm watering? Well, you can always use a rain gauge. If you don't have one, you can likely get one online, or your local hardware store, Walmart, Tractor Supply, they should have one. Something even cheaper than that would be to use something like an empty soup can, or even a sardine can. I know, right? Wash it out. Just make sure it stays level to the ground so you can get a good reading of how much water it holds. Use a tape measure and measure how much is left in the empty container. Hey, it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. You know, that's how we roll. So it's now time, guys, to get your sprinkler ready or de-winterize your irrigation system. Because you know what? The growing season is upon us. Guys, this was the 5th part of a 5-part series, and it was super fun to do. And if you missed any of them, you can go to our YouTube channel in the link below, and you can find the other 44 videos there to make your lawn a masterpiece. And while you're there, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. It would really mean a lot. Guys, I truly wish you the best for your lawn this season. If you ever have questions, feel free to shoot us a message, or if you or someone you know needs help with their lawn, we'd love the opportunity to help. Just give us a call or a text at 731-264-0088 or visit us at the web at 4evergreen.com. Guys, have a great day, and let's keep growing.